Hi guys, welcome to another episode of HubFuel. Today we'll be going through the HubSpot AI Content Assistant, which is currently in public beta. We'll be going through 3 different examples for landing pages, emails, and CTAs. But you can also do this on website pages, blogs, knowledge base articles, and SMS if you are enrolled into that beta. I've just created this test landing page here. And all you want to do for the AI Content Assistant is with your rich text modules, you want to come in and either highlight the whole section, or you can highlight individual sections and you'll see this lightning bolt button appear. If you click onto that, you get 4 different options. You can rewrite, expand, shorten, or change the tone to a few different options of your text. With this option here, maybe I want to shorten it, and it will pop up with an extra box which will show you the example that the AI Content Assistant has come up with. If I'm not too happy with it, I can regenerate, or if I am, I can insert it. You can also do this with headings. So if I click the lightning bolt again, maybe this time I want to change the tone to a more professional one. I can also regenerate this and it will give me a different option, and I can insert that, and there we go. If we move over to emails, it's a similar process. With any rich text module, I can highlight the area, click on the lightning bolt, and have the different options. Maybe I'm not too happy with this writing and I want it to rewrite the section for me, and I can insert that there. If I take this heading and do the same thing, but maybe want to expand it, I'll let the AI do its job, and I can insert that, and it's given me much more text from the Content Assistant. With CTAs, it's exactly the same. So I can select any of the text on my CTA. Maybe I want to shorten this here. Not too happy with that one, so I'll regenerate the content and then insert there. Fun little feature is it can also be done with date and times. If I want a witty date and time, I can generate that and insert it there. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how to use the HubSpot AI Content Assistant, and we'll speak next time.